Whenever I share a mango recipe, even after creating content for 10 years, I get the same question. क्या mango weight loss के लिए ठीक है? Can people with blood sugar eat mangoes? And the answer is yes. You absolutely can enjoy mango during your weight loss journey, but in moderation. Mangoes are one of the most misunderstood fruit when it comes to weight loss and blood sugar. Yes, mangoes are naturally sweet, but that does not make them unhealthy or fattening. In fact, mangoes are seasonal. They are loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber, and several plant compounds like mangifferin, quercetin, catechin, and beta carotene that protect your cells from oxidative stress that supports your overall health. So weight loss के लिए mangoes are amazing. They're great for your hormonal health. And 1 cup of mango contain around 90 to 100 calories, which is completely manageable within a balanced diet. And I strongly believe that seasonal fruit should be part of balanced diet instead of being feared. So today, I'm going to share one of my favorite and balanced mango recipe, a high protein mango sattu smoothie that is refreshing, nourishing, cooling for the body and keeps you full for long. Hello everyone, I'm Dietitian Manju Malik and you are watching Fit Food Flavors. So today I'm sharing a delicious high protein mango sattu smoothie that is creamy, naturally sweetened, refreshing, gut friendly and surprisingly very balanced. Before we begin, let's see the ingredient list. So I'm using 200 ml of unsweetened soya milk. You can use skim dairy milk as well. 3/4 cup of ripe mango. Few strands of saffron for that color. 1.5 tablespoon of defattened peanut powder. 2.5 tablespoon of sattu flour. And 1 sachet of monk fruit sweetener and some ice which are optional. Now let's begin making this. First, add half of the soya milk into the blender. So I'm specifically using this soya milk because it gives around 10 grams of protein every serving, that is 200 ml. If you're somebody struggling with bloating, heaviness, acne, poor digestion, or if you have dairy sensitivity or you're lactose intolerant, then plant milk can sometimes feel much lighter and easy to digest. You can use any other plant milk as well, like almond milk or light coconut milk. But if your digestion is good and dairy आपको सूट करती है, then you can absolutely use skim milk instead of this. Next, I'm using ripe mango. You can use half to 3/4 cup of mango for this recipe. If you want it really creamy, if you want the smoothie to be really creamy, then you can use frozen mangoes as well. Next, I have soaked some saffron strands and I'm using them for that rich flavor and color. Then goes 1.5 tablespoon of defatted peanut powder. Now, this is something I personally switched in the last few months. A lot of people regularly consume peanut butter thinking that it's high protein, but most of the peanut butter options are actually very high in fat. The calories also very high comparatively. So defattened peanut powder gives you more protein and less fat, and it is also very low in calorie comparatively. So you can see the difference on screen. So it's a smarter option, and if you're trying to lose weight, then obviously you need to watch your protein intake and your calories as well. Now I'm adding 2.5 tablespoons of sattu flour, and honestly sattu is one of the most underrated traditional Indian food. It's naturally cooling, rich in protein and fiber, high satiety level it gives you. It's great for maintaining energy levels and it works beautifully during summers. Since mangoes are already naturally sweet, I'm using just 1 sachet of monk fruit sweetener. This one is free from erythritol. Now blend everything together until you get a smooth and creamy texture. So your high protein mango smoothie is ready. Now to talk about the nutritional value, it's under 300 calories and it's giving you over 20 grams of protein. It's rich in fiber as well. It's very refreshing, but at the same time very balanced. It's naturally sweet and it gives you protein, fiber, a lot of micronutrients and sustainable energy in one glass. This is exactly how I create recipes. Not by removing foods from your diet, but by balancing it and mixing it with other foods intelligently. So yes, you can enjoy mango during your weight loss journey. You just need the right quantity and the right combination and an overall balanced lifestyle. Save this recipe and send it to someone who's still scared of eating mangoes during summer. And follow Fit Food Flavors for more realistic, nourishing and science-backed recipes. This is Dietitian Manju Malik signing off. Stay healthy, stay fit, and I'll be back very soon. Until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.